In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable live photos on RedNote, or basically turn this on or turn it off when you want. So what you're going to do is from your main home screen, you're going to click on the hamburger icon, the three stripes at the top left, and then you're going to click on settings at the bottom right. And from here, we are going to general settings. And in here, we can see HDR effect down below, above history. And when you turn this on, this will not automatically mean that it's about live photos, but it has an effect. And this works a little bit the same way like a live photo. So when you want to use live photos on RedNote, then I would suggest that you turn this on, like I'm doing right now. And now we can check if we are able to see live photos. We're going to choose from album. And as you can see, this is a live photo. And right now I have this live photo integrated in RedNote. So that's basically what we wanted. And in order to have this done, then it is advisable to have your HDR toggled on just like I did. And let's click on next. And as you can see right now, we have this live photo inside of RedNote. And this can be really handy when you want to post this live photo or just basically everything you want to do with this live. You can also make it like a GIF or something like that. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.